Varnish and Oversized art print. In this video, you will see me take this general purpose matte varnish to protect one of my large art prints on canvas. This is an illustration that I originally made with these professional markers over here. For the best ventilation, we went outside. I made sure that the print is lint-free and dust-free as possible. I put my print on a flat piece of cardboard outside. I made sure that the cardboard is bigger than my print, and I wore a face mask while I sprayed the print. Of course, I shook my can before I used it. I am working with thin layers, spraying both horizontal and vertically is important so that you can make sure you have great coverage. I also tried to make sure that I have the same distance away from the print while I was spraying it. Now I'm just going to wait for it to dry. It has dried now, and I could definitely say that it dried matte like I wanted it to. I let the varnish dry for 48 hours, and it does have a slight sheen on it, but that is okay. It's nowhere near super glossy. It is fine with me. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Keiota Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Bye.